Welcome back to Carnivore Conquest. I'm Coach Shannon. Let's dive into the animal-based diet and fitness with me, and let's transform together and be the best we can be. So in today's video, we're going to be looking at the labs that I did and taking a trip to the actual lab location here in Cambodia, Phnom Penh. If you're in the West, they have basically like an a la carte service here that is cheaper to get done and get the labs you want. So in this video, we're going to be just basically showing that I've documented kind of the medical history for this. So I have an unbiased opinion of this after 90 days. And then I'm also using some of the reports that I had done at Bangkok Hospital back in October 2022. So a little over a year and a half ago, giving me some metrics to start with from there. And then I'm going to put all this into an Excel spreadsheet so it's easier to see actually the changes. But this just shows you that I've taken a lot of data. And then there is another report that I did with the VA that was done earlier this year. Where is that? This one here. This one was done in March 27th. So I'm basically able to see kind of a trend from October to March. So that's a year and a half later. And then the only thing that was missing was what I did at the labs, which is these labs here showing hormonal health, testosterone, and a couple other metrics that they gathered, estrogen, E2, PSA, blah, 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 blah. So I'm going to show you guys a clip of that adventure to the clinic there, and then this will kind of just be a timestamp or documenting the journey, so to speak. So this was done on day 2, and it was my first time actually using this location.
So I've just arrived, and this is my first time here. So I am not sure how this process works, but we are going to find out. So this will be a fun adventure. All right, so we just got the process. Oh, sorry. All right, so the process went relatively quick. You're not allowed to record inside, I guess, kind of like the HIPAA privacy kind of stuff in the US. But I got my blood drawn, and they took the exact items I requested. And in 3 to 5 days, I'll have the results. So we will see. It's actually only about maybe 15 minutes, 20 minutes. Interesting the way they draw the blood as well. They use a syringe and pull it out, and then pull out what they need in one syringe, and then inject that into the different vials separately, I guess. Whereas I know in the US, when I've got it done, they put that little separate vial for each like test, and they leave the kind of butterfly stitch or whatever that is, butterfly needle or whatever, I can't remember what that is, and they attach the new ones to it. But here they just, literally use a syringe and draw the blood out and then put it into another vial. Very interesting. So we'll see what the results are in about 3 to 5 days.